Today I'm going to help you unlock the overhand sneak. So here's how it goes. There are three main movements. First, you start without the rope. You're going to have one clap here. So on the right side, that's step number one. Step number two is on the left side. Step number three is you bring your left hand behind your back and you clap your right hand here. So you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the main movement. With the rope, you will get used to a few things. So number one, right side. You do one swing on the right side, that's one. One swing on the left side, two. And then three is when you, after this swing on the left side, when it comes to the bottom and it's coming up, that's when you start to move that left hand to your right side and your right hand to your right side as well. So the main movement here, and a few things that will help you familiarize yourself with it, is it's like you take a bow, hand behind your back, and you're taking off your hat. So you see 1, 2, like that bow, and take off your hat movement. So that's how you get the rope over to the right side, where one hand is coming and sneaking around the back. If it helps, you can also try doing the dragon roll. When you do the dragon roll, if I'm going right to left, and I'm looking to my right side, when I come over to the back side, you'll notice my left hand is kind of like this, the normal palm up, palm down. But when you look to your right side, the way you can think of it is now you just move your left hand and kind of push it to the back like this instead of palm up, palm down, all right? So instead of doing this, you sneak over like that. So I'll show it from the back, it might be a bit easier to see. So if I'm doing the regular dragon roll, look at my left hand now, that's a sneak. That's a regular dragon roll, palm down, palm up, palm down, palm up. And then the sneak, the right hand is still doing the exact same motion. The sneak is just your left hand coming behind like this. So your left hand is doing this movement. Instead of like this, palm down, palm up, palm down, palm up, your left hand now comes behind instead. So right hand still doing the exact same figure 8 movement when I'm doing the dragon roll. And my left hand, instead of following along and doing the figure 8, palm up, palm down, palm up, palm down, I'm actually going to move it to my back like so. Come around like this, palm facing the back. So practice a few different ways. You may try different ways and you may unlock it doing the dragon roll like this, or you may find the count a bit easier. So 1, 2, 3, and then back to 1. How do you get back to 1? So from 3, your left hand's going to be behind and your right hand's going to be over here. What you're going to do now is you're going to just swing your left hand back out, because the rope is still continuing to move, right? So when you come over like this, 1, 2, and then 3, and it's still going down and around and over. As it comes over, you want to start to move your hand back out. Just come out like out this way, right? So showing from the back, 1, 2, 3, back to 1. 1, 2, 3, back to 1. From the front, 1, 2, 3, back to 1. 1, 2, 3, back to 1. And that's doing it on one side. So then you practice the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1. Once you've unlocked the overhand sneak on both sides, you have your 1, 2, 3, back to 1. You can try and combine right side to left side and do it consecutively. The difference here is you're actually taking out one move and you're going straight into sneaking the other hand. So regularly you have 1, 2, 3, 1. But what happens is instead of going back to 1, that becomes 2 on the other side, and then you go straight into sneaking the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. One side thing you might notice is the difficulty with sneaking your left hand around to your right side. What you want to do is you want to make sure that when you do step number 1, your left hand is below your right hand. Step number 2, your left hand is still below your right hand. And then step number 3, it makes it easy to come over to the back. If your left hand is on top of your right hand and you go 1, 2, then it becomes a bit hard to come over because then you have to come under and then move it down over like that. So make sure your left hand is at the bottom. So you go 1, 2, 3, not on the top. Also you'll have 1, 2, and then you can't come under like that. Another quick tip to improve spinal rotation while you are practicing the sneak is normally when you do the sneak, it is easier for you to have your same side leg forward for the side that you are sneaking on. So for example, right now, if I'm doing the overhand sneak on my right side, where I have the rope come over on my right side and my left hand coming on the back of my right side, it's easier for me to have my right foot forward so I can come over like so, right? But what you want to do when you practice is try to actually have some counter rotation. So have your left leg come forward instead. That encourages your body to twist a bit more. So when you come down on the right side, like this, you're actually twisting to your opposite side. And that's, like we mentioned in counter rotation, kind of the natural way that we run and walk. We are not walking like this, same side leg, same side hand. We are going with opposite side leg, opposite side shoulder. So make sure you have the opposite leg out instead of the same side leg if you can. And that encourages you to twist your spine a bit more when you practice this move. From the front, here's what it would look like. If you have same side, left, right, left. If you have counter rotation, you have your left leg out when you're doing it on your right side.